Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green paper. Start by shredding clean recycled paper and soaking it until it forms a soft pulp. Blend the pulp with natural green pigments or eco dyes and mix evenly for consistent color. Pour the pulp onto a framed screen, spread to the desired thickness, and press out excess water. Finish by drying flat or under light weight to keep sheets smooth and warp-free. Start by organizing all materials on a clean workspace to keep the process smooth. Tear recycled paper into small pieces and pre-soak to soften fibers for easier blending. Use a blender to create a uniform pulp and stir in pigments gradually until you reach the green hue you like. Pour the pulp onto a framed screen, tap to create an even sheet, then press and dry under weights for best results. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical tips. On another note, quick recommendation: treat your feet right while crafting with darn tough socks that come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long workshop sessions on concrete floors. I use them myself, and they stay comfortable through messy projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with soaked paper that breaks apart easily when blended into pulp. Work in small batches, mixing pigments slowly to control the green shade and testing a scrap sheet before committing. Pour the colored pulp onto your screen and use a sponge to remove excess water gently but thoroughly. Press the wet sheet between absorbent cloths and apply weight while it dries to prevent curling and ensure a consistent, professional finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.